How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Dear students, our today's topic is division part 1. This is lesson number 16 and HW number 15. Okay, dear the students, at first we will introduce with the basic concept of division. Then we'll solve some math from page number 69. Dear students, consider that I have 14 chocolates. There are 4 students in my class. The name of the students Mahi, Shahi, Rahi and Jahin. I want to distribute these 14 chocolates among these 4 students equally. Okay, dear students, in first step I will give 1 chocolates to Mahi, 1 chocolates to Shahi, 1 chocolates to Rahi and another 1 chocolates to Jahin. So total 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. In first step I have given 4 chocolates among them. Now I have 14 minus 4, this is equal to 10 chocolates. Now in second step again I will give 1 chocolates to Mahi, 1 chocolates to Shahi, 1 chocolates to Rahi and another 1 chocolates to Jahin. Total 4 chocolates I have given among the students in second step. Now I have 10 minus 4, this is equal to 6 chocolates. In third step, again I will give 1 chocolates to Mahi, 1 chocolates to Shahi, another 1 chocolates to Rahi and 1 chocolates to Jahin. In third step, also I have given 4 chocolates among my students. Now 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Now I have only 2 chocolates. There are 4 students but I have only 2 chocolates. So in this case I cannot distribute these 2 chocolates among 4 students. Dear students, in division we will say these 2 as remainder. I cannot divide these 2 chocolates, so that we will say these 2 as a remainder. Now the question, after distribution, how many chocolates will each student get? Here Mahi will get 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Mahi will get 3 chocolates, Shahi also will get 3 chocolates, Rahi also 3 chocolates and Jahin also will get 3 chocolates. That means we are watching that after distribution, each student will get 3 chocolates. Dear students, we will say these 3 is quotient, Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. In division, we will say these 3 is quotient and these 2 is remainder. Dear students, for finding out these 3 and these 2, we have followed a lengthy process, but applying the procedure of division in a short process we can find this remainder 2 and this quotient 3. We have to divide 14 chocolate among 4 students. Now we'll read times tables of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, but 4 4s are 16. 16 is greater than this 14. So we cannot give 4 times. Dear students, we can give 3 times. 4 3s are 12. We will write this 12 under this 14. Then if we subtract, then it will be 2. This is remainder 2 and this 3 is quotient 3. For finding out these 2 and these 3, we have spent a little time so that we can say division is the short process of subtraction. Again, I am telling dear students, division is the short process of subtraction. Okay, dear students, we will solve some problem from page number 69. At first, we will do one number. 42 divided by 7 equal to what? Dear students, we will use rough space for finding out the answer. 42. We will read times table 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, and 7 6s are 42. If we give 6 times, then we can get 42. So that we will write 42 under 42. After subtracting, we will get here 0. Dear students, here quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. That means if we distribute 40 chocolates among 7 students, each student will get 6 chocolate and there is no any remaining chocolates. Here we will write quotient 6 and remainder 0. Answer quotient 6, remainder 0. Okay, dear students, now we will do 3 numbers. (63 divided by 8 equal to what? We will read times tables of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. Here 64 is greater than 63. So we cannot give 8 times, we can give 7 times. If we give 7 times, then 8 7s are what? 8 7s are 56. We will write this 56 under 63. Now we will subtract. If we subtract 56 from 63, it will be 7. That means quotient 7 and remainder also 7. Quotient equal to 7, remainder equal to 7. Answer quotient 7, remainder 7. Now we will do 4 number. (85 divided by 4 equal to). Dear students, we will follow here 2 steps. In first step, we will divide 8 by 4. In 8, how many times can give 2? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, but 4 3s are 12, which is greater than 8. So we can give 2 times, 4 2s are 8. We have to write this 8 under 8. Now if we subtract, then it will be 8 minus 8 equal to 0. We will write this 5 besides 0. Now in 5, how many times can give 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Here 5 exists, 8 is greater than 5, so that we cannot give 2 times, we can give only 1 times. Now we will write these 4 under 5. If we subtract, then it will be 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So that quotient 21 and remainder 1. Quotient 21, remainder 1. Answer quotient 21, remainder 1. Dear the students, now we will do 5 number. Five 1 divided by 7 equal to what? Dear students, at first in 50, how many times can give 7? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, and 7 8s are for 56, which is greater than 50, so we cannot give 8 times, we can give 7 times. 7 5s are 7 sevens are 49. We will write 49 under 50. After subtracting, we will get 1 here. Now we will write this one besides 1, then it's 11. In 11 we can give 1 times, because 7 2s are 14, which is greater than 11, so we can give only 1 times. And we will write this 7 under 11. After subtracting, we will get here 4. So quotient 71 and remainder 4. Quotient 71, remainder 4. Answer quotient 71, remainder 4. Sixth number, 835 divided by 9. We will divide 835 by 9. In first step, in 83, we can give 9 how many times? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, which is greater than 83. So we can give 9 times. 9 9s are 81. We will write 81 under 83. After subtracting, we will get here 2. We will write this 5 besides 2, then it will be 25. Now in 25, how many times can give 9? 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27, which is greater than 25. So we cannot give 3 times, we can give 2 times. 9 2s are 18. We will write 18 under 25. After subtracting, we will get here 7. So remainder is 7 and quotient is 92. Quotient 92, remainder 7. Answer quotient 92, remainder 7. Dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Dear students, now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW number 15 and topic of today's SW division, page number 69, 1 to 6. You have to do division 1 to 6 from page number 69. Okay, dear the students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.